Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use autofill function in Excel. How you can autofill a number of series, how you can autofill the some kind of the data like January, February, month wise or date wise. I will show you. So normally, people's using these autofills for numbers or any other kind of series. So let's start with the video. Before you going before you start, I'm requesting you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So you can see here I am on my, this is my Excel. Okay, so for in order to use autofill in Excel, if I'm going to use in numbers, so I just type in one. Okay, and just scroll down. Okay, click the hold this corner by clicking the left button of the mouse and just scroll down. You can see the series is not coming, only one come because we need series. So you don't need to do anything, just click on this and click on fill series, so it will be automatically series. If you want series like from first step, so you have to type 1 and 2. So guys, it's an indication to the Excel that we are going to use series. So just select both cell here, just hold this corner and just scroll down, so series will be automatically come. Okay, you can use for horizontal, vertical also. So if I series like this, you have to swap this like left right. You can this and you just click on this and you can the fill series. Okay, and if you need even number like 2, then direct 4, just type two numbers and select, and you can drag down like this, then even number will become here. Okay, so this not this is not only autofill will do for you. There is a many thing can you can fill like you can autofill in Excel like if I think of a month. So if I click Jan and I do autofill, it will be autofill. Okay, if I use full form, that will be complete. If I use date, like you can see, it will be autofill. Okay, so if I use anything like days, Monday, and if I click hold this and scroll down, it will be autofill. So that is how the you can use autofill in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for